الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أما بعد بحر لا تكدره الدلاء بحر لا تكدره الدلاء هذا مثل. This is a saying which is used to praise a person, to say that they are a bahr, they are like an ocean or a sea. لا تكدره. الصفو والكدر are opposites. الصفو والكدر. الصفو is to be clear, and al-kadar is to become cloudy or muddied. And this is referring to water, that water can be clear or it can be clouded and muddied when something falls into it, for example. Kaddara is to make something kadar. It's to make something unclear. So he said this is an ocean or a sea. لا تكدره. Nothing cloudies it. الدلاء is the plural of الدلو, which is a bucket. A plural of الدلو. So the buckets do not cloud the water, meaning that a small body of water, a small little bucket, for example, or a small well, if you place the bucket in it, it will cloud the water and it will move the dirt in it. So you will see the effect of that bucket in that water. But if you put a dalu or a bucket in the ocean, it's not going to make any difference to it. It will not have any effect on it. So this is a huge body of water that cannot be affected. لا تكدره. It cannot be clouded or muddied just by sticking something in it. And this is used, for example, to praise some ulama, that they have a huge amount of knowledge. And also Hassan ibn Thabit radiallahu anhu, the poet of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said in one of the last lines, or the last line in his poem عفت ذات الأصابع, he said وبحري لا تكدره الدلاء, to praise himself as somebody praising Rasulullah alayhi salatu wasalam and the Muslims. جزاكم الله خيرا والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله.